Are you tired of learning stock market from YouTube videos and still making losses? और अब भी पैसे कमाने का जोश है?
Do you want a mentor who himself a full-time trader who will guide you to become a profitable trader and will show you how to learn and earn in the markets?
Do you want a community of like-minded people and traders who would help you out in your journey? Then you are at the right place. Hi, I am Neeraj Mittal, a full-time trader and an investor.
Hi, myself Abhishek, a full-time trader, investor and your mentor.
So Abhishek, now let's tell them a few benefits of our courses.
Our course covers each and every aspect of technical analysis where we teach you from basic to advanced about the stock market.
In short, this will be the only course and the last course you would be buying to learn the stock market. That's our guarantee.
And yes, we won't leave you in between after teaching. We'll trade with you, we'll show you how things work in the live market.
And the most important 24/7 support of the mentor and a like-minded people community to guide you through your journey. Now, let's take you through the step-by-step process of how the program will work for you.
As soon as the session will start, we'll have the introductory session to understand the basic needs and expectations of the learners.
Post that, we'll start with the very basics of what the market is, how the trade would be taken, how the candlestick chart would work, what the technical analysis is.
As we move to the technical analysis, we'll show you how the live concept works with observations and modification, where the real magic happens. As we start our technical classes, there where the real magic happens, where we'll show you how things work in the live market.
And last but not the least, what bigger investors and traders use, you'll be learning the concepts as it is.
Last, you'll come with flying colors, colors of money and confidence.
When people ask me what's our success ratio, very proudly we say it's 80% above because we know that's a very good learning ratio.
We are only looking for serious learners who want to be a full-time trader and an independent decision maker. तो आप ready हो? तो आ जाओ, see you on the other side.